there was a growing amount of criticism directed toward the SEC preparations to appeal verdicts in the Ripple case. John Reed Stark, who had previously served as the chief of the SEC Office of Internet Enforcement, made a comment regarding the SEC anti-crypto attitude, saying, "X markets is used by professionals to trade the markets. Your capital is exposed to a high amount of risk when you trade derivatives. Therefore, you should only trade with money that you can afford to lose." While it is possible that trading derivatives is not appropriate for all investors, you must make sure you have a complete understanding of the risks involved and seek independent counsel if it is required. Before we move further, there is a new crypto airdrop now taking place on Telegram, which is about to launch anytime soon. Please make sure you participate in this airdrop. The link is in the description of the video. Don't miss out on this. Now, let's continue with our video. In a message on XAI, originally known as Twitter, Stark shared an interview with Spaces in which he outlined why the SEC's assault on cryptocurrency might be finished. In response to Stark's post, Ripple Chief Legal Officer Stuart Alderodi made the following proclamation: "John, who does not waver in his support for the SEC, possesses the dignity to assert, the people have spoken. Gensler and his anti-crypto minions should willingly step down from their positions, or as John explains, the new chair of the SEC will use the agency's internal mechanisms to remove them from their positions. There is no turning back now. The influence of Trump's victory on the future of the SEC and XRP market after Trump's victory in the presidential election in the United States on November 5, buyer demand for XRP and the cryptocurrency market as a whole increased. During his campaign, Donald Trump committed to dismiss Gary Gensler, the chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, on the very first day of his presidency. It is only a few days after the court's deadline for the Securities and Exchange Commission to submit its appeal-related opening brief that Inauguration Day begins on January 2025. Even though Trump won, there's still a lot of ambiguity over the appeal approach that the SEC will use. If the SEC goes ahead with its appeal, there is a possibility that XRP will be subject to selling pressure because to concerns that the agency would be successful in winning on appeal. On the other hand, if the SEC decides to withdraw its appeal, XRP could potentially jump toward $1, which would be similar to the spike that occurred in July 2023 in response to the positive verdict regarding programmatic sales of XRP. XRP reaction to July 2023 court rulings. Reaction to the decisions made in July 2023, the application of programmatic sales to XRP. An important legal example, during July in the year 2023, Judge Annalisa Torres decided that the third component of the Howey test was not satisfied by program sales of coins. The cryptocurrency market responded to the verdict by relisting XRP on exchanges, which fueled demand for the cryptocurrency. If the SEC decides to withdraw its appeal, there is a possibility that demand may increase even more. This comes at a time when concerns about exchanges delisting XRP are decreasing. On the other hand, if the SEC prevails in its appeal and the courts decide that XRP is a security, then us exchanges will most certainly delist XRP, which may bring the price of XRP down to 40 cents. Expectations, the communications that the SEC makes regarding its appeal strategy will play a significant effect in the price patterns of XRP soon. Watch our updates to be one step ahead of any changes in the price of XRP. Also in recent research conducted by Dark Defender, a notable crypto analyst on X, offers a comprehensive look at the direction of the price of XRP for the cryptocurrency. For this analysis, historical patterns, market indicators, and recent developments about XRP and Ripple were taken into consideration. A major shift in Bitcoin's dominance on the monthly relative strength index has highlighted by the analysis conducted by Dark Defender. This pattern is reminiscent of the events that took place in the beginning of 2021, which marked the beginning of a significant spike in the price of XRP, which went from 17 cents to $1. Dark Defender has been keeping a close eye on the movements of Bitcoin dominance for quite some time. The current market indicators indicate that a similar trend is emerging, which may indicate the beginning of another alt season. Throughout history, significant bull runs for alternative cryptocurrencies have been heralded by crucial signals such as the RSI decline and the ensuing top in Bitcoin dominance. XRP favorable developments in recent times. The bright view for XRP seems to be strengthened by several recent happenings. The events that have taken place throughout the past few years were listed by Dark Defender. A huge legal overhang was lifted as a result of the landmark court ruling that was handed down in July 2023, which established that XRP is not a security. This decision also provided regulatory clarity. XRP was able to differentiate itself from other cryptocurrencies that continue to face regulatory concerns as a result of this decision, which was crucial. Ripple, the business that is responsible for XRP, has also made significant progress. It has been brought to the attention of Dark Defender that the organization is making preparations for the launch of central bank digital currencies, BDC. We also mentioned the forthcoming stablecoin Rulus that the firm would be releasing, in addition to other prospective projects such as and RailGP that are on the horizon. The integration of Ripple's technology into global financial systems is further strengthened by all of these steps. In the future, it is anticipated that these measures will increase the utility and adoption of XRP. Environment that is favorable in terms of regulations and politics. The expected shift of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission toward a management style that is more favorable to cryptocurrency was another topic that Dark Defender brought up. During his campaign, Donald Trump pledged that he would dismiss Gary Gensler, the chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, on the very first day of his administration. President Trump was recently warned about this by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, who also suggested replacements that are in line with the wishes of the cryptocurrency market. The cryptocurrency business will benefit from this leadership move since it will create an environment that is more favorable for the industry, which may also help XRP rise. XRP direction towards market leadership as a result of these developments. Dark Defender forecasts that XRP will surpass Ethereum and restore its place as the second largest cryptocurrency in terms of market valuation. Particularly noteworthy is the fact that BitBoy, a famous member of the cryptocurrency industry, recently predicted the same thing. Furthermore, he thinks that XRP has the potential to challenge Bitcoin for the top rank. This optimism is based on the fact that XRP is the only cryptocurrency asset that possesses total regulatory clarity. Dark Defender saw that there is a shift occurring in the market. Instead of months, he thinks that everything may happen in a matter of weeks. XRP is currently trading above the 50-day and 200-day exponential moving averages, which is a positive price indicator. There is a possibility that a move toward the important 60-cent mark could be indicated by a breakout from the 57-cent resistance level. In addition, if the price were to recover to 60 cents, the bulls might be able to reach their goal of 66 cents, which was the highest point on September 29. Ripple case-related news and developments about the SEC versus cryptocurrency case need to be taken into consideration. A decline below the 55 cents level, on the other hand, may be indicative of a collapse toward the 200-day and 50-day exponential moving averages. The information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and consulting with a knowledgeable professional.